Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Adobe Premiere Pro run faster. So if you're having issues with playback or the application is just running slowly in general, then there's actually a few things you can do to speed it up. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on Edit in the top navigation and then scroll down and select Preferences and then click on General from this list. From the left-hand side, click on Media Cache and then press this Delete button next to Remove Media Cache Files. Make sure Delete Unused Media Cache Files is selected and press OK. Once you've done that, come down to Media Cache Management. Make sure Automatically Delete Cache Files Older Than is selected, and we're going to change this from 90 days to 30 like so. Then click on Media from the left-hand side. Make sure Enable Proxies is unchecked like this. And where it says automatically refresh growing files, we're actually going to uncheck this as well. Then click on memory from the left-hand navigation, and you want to decrease the number where it says RAM reserved for other applications. Make sure this is set to its lowest amount. So you can do that by scrolling to the right or to the left. So in this case, we want it all the way down to the left. And what this means is we'll have less RAM available for our other applications, but it means we'll have more RAM allocated for Adobe Premiere Pro. Then once you've done that, you can press OK to save all of these changes. And if you're having issues playing back videos in this preview window, another thing worth doing is actually just reducing the quality down here. So by default, it will be set to full, but I like to set mine either to half or quarter. Now, this doesn't actually affect the quality when you render the video. It's just simply this preview window which helps with performance. So that's another thing you can do to help Adobe Premiere Pro run faster. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.